Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Post Market Analysis. So today is a Wednesday. It's May 29th, 2024. Right now it's pretty late, 11:50 p.m. So I want to get this one done. And so overnight, probably I should chase back a little bit. Despite the market closed pretty positive yesterday, and I noticed when I put out the video that I put out for Tuesday, I kind of I put the title as like something like being cautious. So I think the reason being is it went down a lot, even though it come back, but it come back right around kind of like the center of the gap of the last gap move. So what happened today? And last night, the future after the right after the future open, it seems like it's the opening is pretty bad, and it's kind of coming below and going lower and lower. And initially, I thought it's going to probably stay at like a stop at like a 52.99 ish, and so it should stop right there. But apparently, it did not stop. It keep kind of going down, and by the morning, actually, when I got that, I really was kind of surprised. Market down for over 30 points. So as you can see that market open is a very kind of it kept back down a lot, and it goes straight to this level, and which is 52.63 ish, and but it was able to kind of stabilize there and coming back. It come back quite a lot. It literally got back for about like 20 points. Then it had been kind of chopping around, and it's really volatile, and it's going up and down there, and we could count how many times, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's like it been kind of playing kind of in many sense kind of like an up tone. It's pretty positive, I would say. As you can see that here it mostly was able to stay above the middle, but surprisingly, when it get to the market close, it's basically kind of tumbling down, and I guess it's really hard to imagine that it went all the way down to this like a 50 to 65 level. And if we look at it, this is from 50 to 80 level. Actually, it's above that, and it tried multiple times there. And however, it kind of tumble down here to close, and it's very, very negative. And so with that said, it's like a really pretty bad, and kind of shockingly, kind of after the close, actually, it's that apparently that move is not quite like a finish yet, and it can continue to go down, and as of right now, it's down for another 26 points, and it's almost like the market move like after the market, like last night it's down like a what 30 points, 35 points, and it closed around that. And right now the overnight it seems like it's doing that again, and yeah, it's definitely is not good. So down 26 point, that means that's at like a 52.40 level already. Where that's going to go? I think tomorrow it may be, it could stabilize around this level, and we shall see. But apparently tomorrow seems like going to be another gap down, and need to see how that gap down like going to play. It will be kind of interesting. So with that said, we'd like to kind of look at the calendar a little bit, and so tomorrow is Thursday. So for the Thursday, let's see what's anything important. So tomorrow going to be like GTB data, and also something kind of related to the price as well. Also have this initial jobless claim, OD and like retail inventories, wholesale inventories, and core PCE prices. So definitely some kind of inflation related type of kind of data coming out as well, and kind of some consumer spending. So in short, at 8:30 there are lots of like economic data released, and that really could kind of shake up the market a lot. And at 10 o'clock, also the pending home sales. And 10:30 there's a natural gas inventory, and yeah, that's about it. More kind of crude oil, yeah, also crude oil inventory. That's at 11 o'clock, and then 11:30 had that like a treasury bill auctions, and then 12 o'clock have the mortgage rate for 15 years and 30 years. 12:05 it comes like a speech from Fed Williams, and after the market close at 5 o'clock there's another speech coming from Fed Logan. So yeah, that's so we are going to have here the more kind of Fed speech as well. So apparently tomorrow it seems like going to kind of shaking up the market a lot, and as of right now it will be another gap down day, and how this going to unfold, it's going to be pretty interesting. And yeah, in terms of move, so today's market really only move about 20 points, though it's down for kind of over 40 points, but inside the day they only move about 20 points. So likely tomorrow, very likely it's going to move like a 40 points. And with that said, it's like from here, the 50 to 66 and 95, that would means it could go down to 52.25 ish, and yeah, depending on the open, so it could be aiming at 5200 already, and that's very possible. We shall see. yeah, anything could happen, but as for right now, it seems like it's not a good sign. And actually, this is a 5268 level, like here. That's like the midpoint of the last week, and right now is kind of pretty definitively kind of going below that midpoint of last Friday. I mean last week, and this is, to me, is pretty bearish, and there may be, but we shall see where it's going to end it. I think I guess the way likely it would be kind of 5200, and it may go back, probably go down a little bit further, and so yeah, we shall see. With that said, that's all I have to share, and wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all time. Thank you.